All right, so we have the quadratic equation x squared plus 8x plus 7 equals 0, and we're going to solve this by factoring. So I'm going to go ahead and break it out into two sets of parentheses, and that's still equal to 0. And because we have x squared, I know that we're going to have x and x that will multiply to give me x squared. And so now we're just going to look at the b term and the c term. So our b term is positive 8, and our c term is positive 7. So we need two numbers that multiply to 7 and add to 8. Well, there's only two numbers that multiply to 7 that are whole numbers, and that's 7 and 1, and they also add to 8. So that's perfect. So we're going to have plus 7 and plus 1. All right. So x plus 7 times x plus 1 equals 0. Now from here, we just set both parentheses equal to 0. So we're going to have x plus 7 is equal to 0, and x plus 1 is equal to 0. And now we just solve for x in both equations. So for the top one, we just subtract 7 from both sides to get x is equal to negative 7. And in the second, we just subtract 1 from both sides to get x is equal to negative 1. And so both of those are going to be solutions to this equation. So we have x equals negative 7 and x equals negative 1. Those would be our solutions. That is our answer, and that is all you have to do.